Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolutions for the video memory management internal blue screen error on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. The first solution involves updating your graphics card drivers. To do this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list for display adapters. Right-click on your primary graphics card driver and select Update Driver. Then, right-click on the secondary graphics card driver and select Update Driver, choosing to search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. Following that, you can run a chkdsk scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar again and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /f/r and press Enter. You will be prompted to confirm the disk check on the next restart. Press Y and then press Enter. Lastly, if the issue persists, consider restoring your system to an earlier restore point. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore, then click Next. Choose a suitable restore point from the available options, click Next, and finally click Finish. Confirm the restore process by clicking Yes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.